In this tutorial, we will review the Member Splash Front Desk Settings tabs. The first tab is Front Desk Settings. Here you will choose the fields that your front desk attendant will use to look up members as they check into the account. Typically, the last name and the account number are used, and rarely is the address used. Next, choose the account types that will be allowed to check in. Most clubs do not allow closed or waitlisted account types to check in, and during the beginning of the season, they rarely allow the seasonal or August-only account types to check in. The next item allows you to exclude unpaid members from the search screen. However, we do not recommend that you check this particular box, as it is much easier for the front desk attendant to find a member who's unpaid than to not find them at all. Lastly, we have the optional information that can be presented at check-in. The most helpful is the check-in notes, as these notes are used to convey critical information about the member to the front desk staff. Things such as Joey has not passed the swim test or Catherine has a peanut allergy are extremely helpful when checking these folks in.